Look at that gap up there. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. We're gonna fucking fill her out. Let's go get the fucking Miller kid. Oh, good thing the quarter's already fucked. That soft top is fucking, dude. Oof. Dude, I just sent some fucking mean drifts around the house, around the yard, but I decked that oil bin. That's just straight sludge in my soft top. Just fucking sludged. What's up, mate?
What's up, man?
What are you looking at?
What are you looking at, man?
I'm looking at my car.
The fact it's covered in oil and needs a tire now.
Does it?
Probably, dude. You left a couple main fucking strips.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah.
You're back in the car.
Ooh, you're blocking my driver's door for a reason.
God.
You think I'm gonna hit somebody? Ooh, no. No.
Oh, I wouldn't do that.
Ooh. I'm in.
Don't do it.
I know, but I'm in. Now I'm in. Oof. Ooh, is there key? Ooh.
Oh, in the ditch.
He's definitely not. What do you want?
We want to fucking send nobody! Limiter!
You want it?
I want one cancer! I want fucking box! Exactly. Alright, we got you holding it. Alright. Hey, you didn't do it! Spin the other way!
Yeah, she don't want it. Nah, she don't want it. She just don't want it. Dude, I can smell the oil on this fucking Miata, dude. Man, poor thing is so covered, bro. That thing is gonna smell like oil for a while. This thing's literally fucked. I beat the absolute fuck out of it last night. I still got some tire, like... How the fuck did that just happen? Guess my car is in the motherfucking ditch again. Wow. Wow, dude. Dude, are you fucking kidding me, dude? Fucking wheel looks really happy, right? Sweet, dude. Fucking right. Poor Miata, dude. Fucking stay. You stay. Last day with the old girl. Fuck. Yo, I'm gonna pound the piss out of this thing today because she's going away for the winter pretty soon here. Bringing her home tonight. Put it in the garage.
And then you're like, I don't know why you always try to fuck me.
Capture the moment, dude.
He's trying to vlog.
Ruins it.
Ruins it.
No, you're
In on your face right
He
now.
sounds like Kanye and fucking the Joe Rogan podcast. God send me this.
Plants. Aliens. I want to be the leader of the free world. I'm gonna fuck his arm up, dude.
What?
I'm gonna fuck his arm up.
I'm gonna fuck his arm up? No.
He's handicapped. Listen, you scruffy Michael Cera looking motherfucker. Juno's looking for you right now. She wants to know where the fuck you're at and when you're gonna be home. It's wasting cigarettes, okay? Seriously, look at me. Look at the camera. Look at the phone. Look. Don't you fucking... I will fucking end you, dude.
You're gonna catch this lighter to the dome.
You're gonna catch his phone to the fucking dome. I will fucking throw it. Yo, bro. Did I ever tell you that I'm a black belt? Yeah, no, let me show you some moves. What? Oh. Look at that fit. Absolutely not. Quarter panels off limits. Bumper off limits. Trunk, hood off limits. Fenders being replaced. Bumper being replaced. Doors being replaced. So anyone that's butthurt that I'm fucking beating the shit out of it, don't worry about it, because I have plans. These fenders were already junk. The doors are already junk. I already have the new bumper, so don't give me shit. Okay? We're just having fun. We're just kidding around. Fucking things in storage. It's... Look how much fucking Bondo is on this piece of shit fucking door. That's why they're getting replaced. Fucking hacks, dude. Ooh. Hey, yeah. Oh, shit. What's going on over here? What's this? Oh, Miata? Oh.
How much tile we got left over here? Oh, yeah, we got some tile left. We can do some more burnout.
Here we go. Maybe, dude. Who knows? You never know what this...
brakes are on fire, bud. Oh, damn, dude, they are on fire. Get some. Shit, dude.
Fucking right, dude.
I just wanted to do some body work for you, like on your birthday.
Do
and
it.
shit.
Don't hit the mirror and don't hit the quarter panel. Just the door. Yeah, dude. Not the rocker either. Fender, yeah, it's alright.
Yeah. You should be good. Oh, there you go.
Do not hit that rocker panel. Do not hit that rocker, please.
There we go.
There's number one.
Nice.
We are putting a new battery in because she was dead. We are gonna do burnouts no matter what we do. Or we have power. All right, we have ignition. No. No, it's warming up. Gotta warm her up a bit. No, it's warming up. I'm letting it warm up. Okay. Yeah, because I'm keeping this engine. I'm not. I want it to last. Nope, she's gonna warm up for 5 minutes. We'll come back. Everybody go back to the garage for now. Let it warm up.
It's gonna be so bad. Okay. Jeff's cigarettes. Jeff's.
We have done the clutch in. First gear, clutch. Clutch out. First gear, clutch out.